Have you noticed lately that your hair seems to be thinning out, with more strands falling out every time you brush? You're not alone. Hair loss can be alarming, especially for young women who value healthy, beautiful hair. But what if I told you that the secret to luscious, thick locks is hidden in your kitchen? Yes, you heard that right. Onion juice, a simple, natural remedy, has been making waves for its potential to stop hair loss and promote extreme hair growth. Stick around as we reveal the secrets of onion juice and how you can transform your hair today. Welcome back to Healthy Living TV. Here, we explore natural, proven remedies that not only save you money but also keep you safe from harsh chemicals. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of onion juice for hair growth. Young women everywhere are turning to this humble vegetable to revive their hair's natural beauty. We'll explore the science behind it, share real success stories, and provide a step-by-step guide that you can follow from home. So, if you're tired of hair loss and ready for a natural hair transformation, stay with us until the end. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing stronger, thicker hair in just a few weeks. That's the power of onion juice. Today, we're not just giving you vague promises, we're giving you clear, actionable steps to stop hair loss and jumpstart your hair's growth cycle. Plus, you'll learn how to overcome the biggest challenge, onion juice's notorious smell. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to grow your hair naturally and regain that youthful confidence. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you're excited to see your hair transform. Before we get to the how, let's talk about the why. Hair loss is more common than you might think, especially for young women. Stress, hormonal imbalances, poor diets, and even daily styling can weaken your hair. While expensive treatments are tempting, many come with side effects or break the bank. That's where onion juice stands out. It's rich in sulfur, which supports strong hair bonds, and it's been used in natural medicine for centuries. So, if you're ready to skip the chemical-laden treatments and embrace a natural remedy, onion juice might just be your hair's best friend. So, what makes onion juice so powerful for hair growth? Is it just an old wives' tale, or is there real science behind it? And how can you use onion juice in a way that's easy and doesn't leave your hair smelling like a kitchen? In just a few moments, you'll discover how sulfur-rich onion juice can help repair hair follicles, how to prepare it properly at home, and how to customize it to suit your hair type and lifestyle. Trust us, you won't want to miss these transformative tips and secrets. Onion juice isn't just an old-fashioned remedy. It's backed by real studies and real success. Onions are loaded with sulfur, a nutrient that strengthens hair strands and encourages new hair growth. They also contain antioxidants like quercetin, which combat scalp inflammation, and antibacterial compounds that keep your hair healthy from the roots. In fact, a clinical study found that people using onion juice twice a week saw hair regrowth in just a few months. Young women everywhere are seeing real results, stronger roots, less breakage, and fuller hair. Now let's break down exactly how you can harness these benefits yourself. Here's your simple, step-by-step guide. Start by peeling and chopping 2 to 3 medium-sized onions. Put them in a blender and blend until you get a smooth paste. Using a clean cloth or strainer, squeeze out the juice, collecting it in a bowl. If you're worried about the strong smell, mix in a teaspoon of honey or a few drops of lavender or rosemary essential oil. This not only tames the scent but adds extra nutrients for your hair. Section your hair and use a cotton ball to apply the juice to your scalp, focusing on areas with thinning hair. Gently massage it in circular motions to boost blood circulation. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes, or even overnight if you're feeling bold. Finally, Rinse thoroughly with a mild shampoo. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week, and watch your hair start to transform. Your journey to thicker, healthier hair starts now. If you're ready to ditch the hair loss worries and embrace a natural solution, give onion juice a try. And remember, consistency is key. We'd love to hear how it works for you. Share your onion juice hair growth stories in the comments below. Like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you never miss our natural beauty tips and remedies. Until next time, take care of yourself and your hair.